Hello world and welcome to a mini bonus edition of End of the Line, the vlog series which goes to the end of every metro line in Shanghai. Now we are here at Shendu Highway and here behind me is the end of line 8. We also have this oddity, the Pujiang Line, so let's get on board.
Did you ever look at a map and wonder, where are these places? What's out there? Well, maybe it's just me, but I decided it's time to find out. I'm travelling to the end of every metro line in Shanghai in search of the interesting, the extraordinary, and the unusual. So, let's go to the end of the line.
So for some inexplicable reason, instead of extending the real metro line 8 further south to some new residential districts, instead they built this, the Pujiang Line, which is an automated people mover, the type of vehicle normally seen in airports shuttling between one terminal to the other, running on rubber tyres, and it's fully automated, so there's no drivers. So there's only one thing left to do, and that's jump on and see what's at the other end.
We're going to start at Shendu Highway, before the very short journey down to the end at Huizhen Road.
So the Pujiang Line starts here at Shendu Highway, which is also the end of line 8. So here's a quick recap of Shendu Highway and its environs. We have a bus station over there. And this little shopping street, so not a whole lot to write home about. We have made it to Huizhen Road at the end of the Pujiang Line, and I'll be honest, I don't quite get it. It's slow, it's bumpy, you need to change to get to central Shanghai, and in short, it's rubbish. Maybe this sort of train is suited for airports, shuttles, but as a piece of commuter infrastructure, they should have built a real metro. There's probably not a lot to do here other than get back on the next train back to civilization, but I'll take a quick look outside. So there it is, the end of the line, Pujiang Line. As predicted, yeah, of course, there's a scooter beeping. And as predicted, it's pretty much just tower blocks and wasteland. Wasteland on the other side of this fence here behind me. There's not a lot really to do here other than get back on and flee to civilization. So that's pretty much what I'm about to do. So just a reminder, if you haven't already, go and check out the Line 8 vlog. The Pujiang Line, of course, connects to Line 8 to get anywhere in central Shanghai. So that's pretty much it here for the Pujiang Line mini episode of the end of the line. Don't forget to hit that like button, drop me a comment if you want to see something in particular, and don't forget to subscribe to have more full episodes of the end of the line coming soon. So until then, bye for now.